Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Allstate Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the allstate.com website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in allstate.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Allstate website. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner, which will open up the login portal. Within the login portal, simply type in your user ID that you have set up while creating your account, and underneath within the password box, type in your account password. Now if you're using a public device, then make sure to leave the remember my user ID box as it is and don't check the box. However, if you're using a private device, then you can check this box in order to log back into your account easily. Finally, click on the login button and you will be logged into your existing account on the allstate.com website. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on allstate.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.